Welcome to the ProfitHub Smart Rebound, the complete A to Z tutorial. In this video, you'll learn exactly what this bot is and how it works. We'll cover the trigger that starts each trade, the full recovery martingale, every setting you can change, how to read the PDF guide, and how to check the market first. Let's get started. So, what is Smart Rebound? It's a digit-based trading bot for Deriv's synthetic volatility indices. It places digit under trades, and it only enters when a specific trigger digit appears. Its signature feature is a full recovery martingale. After a losing run, a single winning trade recovers the whole drawdown, plus a small profit. Each contract lasts just one tick, and it can run on any Deriv volatility index. The heart of this bot is its trigger. On every tick, Smart Rebound looks at the last digit and simply waits. It only places a trade when that last digit is exactly 8. No 8, no trade. The bot stays patient and does nothing until an 8 appears. This makes it selective. It is not firing on every tick, only on its chosen signal. When an 8 appears, the bot buys a digit under contract for one tick. Normally, it predicts under 7. It wins if the next last digit is 6 or lower. That is 7 of the 10 possible digits, 0 through 6. It only loses if the digit is 7, 8, or 9. After a loss, the prediction tightens to under 6 during recovery, winning on 0 through 5, a safer barrier. Now the signature feature, the full recovery martingale. After a loss, the bot increases the next stake so that one win recovers everything you lost, plus a little profit. The formula is new stake equals total lost times 100 over the payout, divided by the martingale split. With a payout of 53 and a split of 1, that is about 1.89 times your total losses. So a single recovery win returns roughly all your losses back, plus about 5% on top. A win then resets everything stake back to $1, and the prediction back to under 7. Here's the full cycle, from start to finish. On every tick, the bot checks the last digit and waits for an 8. When an 8 appears, it buys under for one tick. If it wins, the stake resets to your base amount, and the prediction resets to under 7. If it loses, the loss is added up, the prediction tightens to under 6, and the next stake grows to recover everything. It keeps going until your take profit or stop loss is hit, then it stops automatically. Now, the settings you can change, they all live in the initialization block at the top of the bot. Initial stake your base trade size. The default is $1. Take profit, the bot stops once your total profit reaches this. The default is 10. Stop loss. The bot stops once your total loss reaches this. The default is 20. Payout. The payout factor used in the recovery maths. The default is 53. Martingale split set to 1. Recovery happens in a single win. A higher split spreads it over more wins. Prediction. The normal under barrier, 7, which tightens to 6 in recovery. To change any value, just click the number inside its block and type a new one. A serious word of caution on the martingale, because each recovery stake must cover all previous losses. The stake grows fast on a losing streak. From a $1 base, it climbs roughly 1, 2, 4, 7, 13, 25, then $47, and it keeps climbing. Make sure your account balance can absorb a losing run, and always set a sensible stop loss, so a bad streak is cut off before it gets expensive. Before you run the bot, read the PDF guide. On the free bots page, the Smart Rebound card has a PDF mark. Click it to open the built-in blueprint viewer. The guide walks through the strategy, the settings, the recovery maths, and a market checklist read right inside the site. Before you run, check the market, use the tick analyzer, one of the market tools in the top menu. Select the same volatility index your bot will trade. Set it to the over-under view, since this bot trades digit under. In the digit frequency panel, you want the low digits, 0 to 6, appearing often, and the high digits, 7, 8, and 9, to be relatively rare. Use the over-under panel and set the barrier to 7 to read the percentage landing under 7. The higher, the better. Also, confirm the trigger digit, 8, is still appearing from time to time. If it never shows, the bot simply waits. And avoid starting during an obvious run of high digits. 7s, 8s, and 9s repeating is the worst case for under. So how do you get the bot? You open it from the free bots page. In the top menu, go to free bots, then choose the blueprint category. Click the Smart Rebound card that loads the full strategy straight onto your bot builder canvas. From there, pick your account at the top. Always start on a demo account first. When you are ready, press the green Run button. Then watch the Journal tab. It prints the live last digit and every trade, win, and loss. One honest and important note: digits on synthetic indices are random and independent. No filter makes any single trade more likely than its built-in probability. A full recovery martingale grows the stake quickly, so a long losing streak can be expensive. Always test on a demo account first, and never trade money you can't afford to lose. That's the ProfitHub Smart Rebound, from start to finish. Read the PDF guide, check the market, start on demo, and keep a sensible stop loss. For more bots and support, visit profithub.trade or find ProfitHub on Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Thanks for watching and happy trading.